Most people think starting a car is simple. Turn the key, and go. But the way you start your car, especially when it's cold, can slowly destroy the engine without you realizing it. Let's talk about a few habits that seem harmless, but cost people thousands over time. One big one: revving the engine right after it starts. When the engine's cold, the oil hasn't fully moved through the system yet. So when you rev it immediately, parts are rubbing together with almost no protection. Instead, just let it idle for a few seconds. 30 seconds is enough. Your engine will thank you. Another mistake people make: ignoring warning lights. Those lights aren't suggestions, they're the car checking itself. Driving with a warning light, especially oil or temperature, is how small problems turn into engine failure. Here's another common one: starting the car with everything turned on. AC, headlights, radio. All of that pulls power right when the engine is waking up. It puts extra stress on the battery and alternator, especially in cold weather. And don't hold the key too long when starting. If the engine doesn't start right away, holding the key just grinds the starter inside. That grinding sound, that's damage. Pressing the gas pedal while starting is another bad habit. On modern cars, it actually sends too much fuel. That extra fuel washes away the thin oil layer that protects the engine. So when starting, foot off the gas. Always. Short trips are another silent killer. If the engine never warms up fully, moisture builds up inside, oil breaks down faster, and sludge starts forming. Every once in a while, your car needs a longer drive. If the car won't start, don't keep cranking it over and over. That overheats the starter, and floods the engine with fuel. If it doesn't start after a few tries, pause. Give it a moment. Starting the car with the steering wheel turned all the way to one side. That's another one people don't think about. It puts maximum pressure on the power steering system, right when the engine is weakest. Oil matters too. Old oil, dirty oil, or oil that's too thin. That's metal scraping on metal every time you start the engine, especially when it's cold. If you drive a manual, never start the car in gear. That sudden jolt hits the engine and transmission instantly. Always start in neutral, with the clutch pressed. And the biggest one of all, starting with a weak battery. Slow cranking strains the starter, confuses the engine computer, and causes poor combustion. If the car sounds tired when starting, the battery probably is too. Starting your car the right way doesn't take extra time, it just takes awareness. Small habits, big difference. Treat the start like a warm-up, not a race.